Hello guys, welcome once again. My name is Rajesh and you are watching 4th day tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. And today the class is very special. Today we will learn how to create attendance table and salary sheet for employees. We will cover up all essential functions including data linking and data validation. Right now I am going to create an attendance table and salary sheet step by step. Please must watch until last. As I already said, this video is very special. This is the sample of attendance table. Now, here in attendance table, we are going to count the number of present days and absent days of an employee and use those absent days to deduct from salary of that employee. Let's write the formula here. Let's write the formula equal to COUNTA value will be from here, okay, C4 to enter. So this is the total working day of one employee. If you double click here, then all working days. Okay, so working days are 27. So this is total working days. Now we are going to find out the present days. Equal to count if we will only count the p value, bracket range. Range is similar from here to here, comma, inverted comma, p, inverted comma, close, and press enter. So 25 days it is present. We will double click here, and these are the present value. Now for absent value, you can count A, or you can just deduct from total working days. Okay, let's write the simple formula: total working days minus present days. So this is the absent day. We can double click here. So this is what total working day, present day, absent days. Okay, now let's go to the salary. Here you can see the same number of employees and the country and the sex and the position and the basic salary. Now we are going to find out the accommodation, food, transport, leave day, and leave deduction, and total salary. Okay, so let's suppose the accommodation is 30% of basic salary. So we will calculate equal to 30% of basic salary is this, enter. And food is, let's suppose, 12% of basic salary. 12% of basic salary, sorry, we didn't put equal to here, 12% of basic salary. And now the transport is, let's suppose, 12.5% of basic salary. 12.5% of basic salary is here, F3. Okay, now let's drag them here. Okay, so now this is accommodation, food, and transportation. Now the leave day, where are the leave day? Here in this sheet. The leave day is here. This is absent day is leave day. Now we are going to link this data there. We will select this all till here, and we will copy, and we will go here, and we will right click here. Now we will click here, paste link. Okay, we will not copy paste the data, we will only paste the link. Okay, so this is the link. Why we paste link? Because if the data is updated here, it will automatically change the data of here. So alright, you can use copy paste feature also if you like. Leave deduction equal to, we will at first we will calculate 1 day salary and then multiply by leave day. So the 1 day salary will be F3 divided by 30 into leave day is 2. Okay, so this is the leave deduction. If we double click here, then the leave deduction, you can see there are so many decimals. You can click here, so this will decrease all. Okay, so now the total salary is equal to basic salary plus accommodation plus food plus transport plus, sorry, now minus leave deduction, enter. So this is our total salary. Now here we can create drop down menu for the column of country and sex, so as to protect data from typo errors and save our time. There are actually two different ways of doing this. If you have a small data like sex, that is just male and female, we will select the column, we will select this whole column. Okay, we will not write anything, we will just select the whole column. Now we will go to data, we will go to data validation, click here, and now we are going to create a list, and we will write male comma female and press OK. So now we have a drop down box like female, male, female, like this. Now if we already have the data and we want to create the drop down list using that data, what we will do, let's suppose we have already written countries here. We want to use this data as a drop down menu for this column. So what we will do, we will just select this all till here, and we will go to data menu and data validation, click here, list. Now click in this red button and go to countries, select all, click here, OK. Now you can see the drop down menu like Japan, for this like USA, for this like Canada. Let's suppose if you make any mistake in the spelling of Canada, C-A-N-N-A-D-A, then it will show the error. If you write USA, then it's okay, but if you write USAA, then it will show the error. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any confusion regarding any video or any topic related to Microsoft Excel, please comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. In return, please like, share and subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so that you will never miss such awesome computer learning tutorials. See you on the next video. Thank you and have a good day.